What's up, pilots? Whether you're learning or pushing limits, this is our FPV journey. Welcome to the FPV Beachfront Challenge, where I sent 4 different drones to see which one rules the shores. And I hope you help me by watching and commenting. I am Neil J, and right now it's really windy. I mean, I'm surprised. A little bit of drone, but it's still. All right, here's the first one. We're gonna go ahead and send the SpeedyBee Master 3X. This is 3.5-inch drone. It's known for its preciseness. I'm gonna go ahead and send it. Already, I am gonna go ahead and arm it. And let's go.
Goggles on, the world fades to blue.
Nice.
No more fear, I'm seeing this.
Here we are. We are at the beach. It's very windy right now.
Time away from solid ground. I know a place.
So SpeedyBee Master 3X, it has a 1100 milliamp battery.
So if you don't mind,
It's a 4S battery. It's known for its preciseness. It's very precise when it comes to flying. See if we can hit this gap here. All right.
so send it up, send it high into the air. We're gonna fly this FPV like we just don't care. From the sunrise glow to the moonlit glare.
Nice.
We're gonna fly this FPV everywhere.
Here I am.
Oh, I'm living the dream.
It's a super light drone as far as the weight goes, and get away from the people. You want to fly on top of them. When it comes to small areas and being precise, I always rather fly this drone right here.
Live from seeker speed to the Master 3X.
SpeedyBee.
Nevada to safety to the Mark 5 rolls.
Ooh, those birds over there.
Send it high into the air. We're gonna fly this FPV like we just don't care. From the sunrise
Let's go ahead and buzz the tower.
glare. We're gonna fly this
It's my spotter.
everywhere.
Nice.
It's got a dedicated soul. The Mark 5's my freestyle powerhouse under my control. The Seeker 35's a demon, speed is its goal. The Master 3X makes precision its role. The
Whoa.
hour that I choose, the king of the safe patrol. Yeah, it's all about using the right tool for the goal.
Love it. SpeedyBee, what do you think about it?
For that gap inside.
I mean, it's a little bitty drone, but
This is the part where the fool you'll see. Now I'm skimming,
it still
tasting the spray ripples.
can do a lot with it.
Leading the way, skimming the waves in a risky flight. Flips and power loops in the golden light. These dives and spins where freedom begins.
Watch out, my spotter. Cool.
Send it high into the air. We're gonna fly this FPV like we just don't care. From the sunrise
Let's get a little bit close to the waves here. I'm going 40 miles per hour. I'm gonna slow it down a little bit so we can get a better view of it, of the waves.
dangerous, tempting game. I forgot my number, I forgot my name.
This is a fishing area, so I want to be careful and make sure I don't catch no fishing rods here. It wouldn't be fun.
We don't care if I crash
People are fishing here. Check it out.
tree. It's a memory for us, a story for you and me. We don't care.
361 in the battery. I'm still good in the battery.
Headed for the ground, weaving through the
We're about 4 minutes so far.
sound. Oh,
Let's do some wave surfing right here. 40 miles per hour.
alright, pilots, a truth you should see. Learning this skill was so
Let's chase after these waves.
ego. It made me humble. Why spend this cash just to fall and to fumble? But now I get it. I understand the why. The rush of the flight that touches.
Woo, look at them waves, y'all. This is so beautiful. Look at those waves. Look. It's really windy. I mean, I'm surprised. A little bit of drone, but it's still.
This FPV like we just don't care. From the sunrise glow to the moonlit glare. We're going
Okay, let's go a little bit fast here.
everywhere.
Wow. Almost touching the water. Okay, I have a low battery warning, so I need to stay close so I can land it soon.
I'm living the dream. So send it up
Ruling the beach.
into the air. We're gonna
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and bring it back.
feel like we just don't care. From the sunrise glow to the moonlit glare. We're gonna fly this FPV everywhere.
Here it is, it's back. Back in one piece. That was a lot of fun. That was a lot of fun. Let's go ahead and look at the times. 6 minutes and no, 5 minutes 56 seconds, so almost 6 minutes. That's not bad. This is a beautiful drone, y'all. It did really what it's supposed to do. It did everything that I wanted to do. I am not sure yet if this is going to be the best drone to fly on the shores. I would like for you to watch these other videos that I have after this one. This is going to be the second series of flying FPV Beachfront Challenge. So watch for those other movies, and at the end, hopefully you'll help me decide which drone would be the best for shore flying, for beach flying. I'll be flying next Deep Space Seeker 35, GIP RC Mark V, and DJI Avara 2. Thank you again for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe so you can see the rest of the series, and we'll see you on the next one.
Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video.